What is going on, everybody? It is Audacity Trades here, and the world is burning. Crypto is done. It has met its maker. The bull run is over. I am just kidding. So I'm sure you guys know that's why you're clicking on the video. As you guys can clearly see from this 1 hour Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin, as well as the entire market, has absolutely shit the bed, for lack of a better word. You guys look at this chart here. You guys can see, I mean, we really broke down here, getting into the $47,000 range, which I did think was going to happen. I thought we were going to hit 47, and I thought we were going to come back up, and that is what it looks like currently. So let's get into the reason why this happened and the reason why I'm still very bullish, because I am bullish and I am taking this opportunity to literally buy as much cryptocurrency as I can. Right now, I am like a hungry hippo, and I am literally spending as much money as I personally can to buy as much crypto as I can, because in my personal opinion, this is almost like free money, because how low the market has dipped and how I personally believe that this was most likely the bottom, and from here on out we will be seeing the crypto market increase day over day, or at least not dip this low again. I feel like this was the bottom, but I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so obviously do your own due diligence, do your own research, and you can have your own opinions. If you think we're going to go to zero, let me know in the comments. If you think Bitcoin's going to 6 figures, which I personally believe, let me know in the comments, because I think this was the bottom. I personally believe this was the bottom. I mean, at most, we might test 47 again, but I think this was probably it. I expect to go to sleep, wake up, and the market be up and not even further down. If it is further down, I think the lowest we're going to go to is 42, and then we should see a nice bounce off of that. But the whole market has dumped because of this. Bitcoin fell so rapidly. I mean, you guys can see here just the rapid sell-off of Bitcoin here. I mean, all the green candles we had, I mean, look how small they were. The bears came down, the bulls were trying to fight it, but I mean, you can see we had a very indecisive period here where it could go either way, and then it continued breaking down. A smaller green candle continued breaking down, smaller greener candle, and then broke down even more. We got in the 47,000 range. Now we are struggling to stay in the 48,000 range, but things have been a lot better. So again, personally, I think this is probably the bottom here. I think the bottom might be in, and if we break down further, if we break down $47,000, we are probably going down to 42,000, but 47,000 is a very strong resistance range with all the buying pressure and all the buy orders for 47,000. So now let's move on to the reason why, one of the big reasons why this is happening, why everybody's freaking out. One of the biggest reasons is this right here. Biden to propose capital gains tax of 39.6% to fund education and child care, reports say. So this also affected the stock market. I know some of you guys don't pay attention to the stock market at all and only crypto, and I know there might even be some people here that are the other way around, that only care about stocks and don't care about crypto, and there's some people that care about both. And if you do care about both, then you probably did see that the stock market also did not fare very well after this news. Pretty big sell-off. And honestly, I would not doubt if tomorrow is a pretty red day or a pretty flat day in the stock market. But this is the large reason for most of the panic. If you guys look, I'm sure you guys have been seeing it. This seems to be the general consensus of the majority of the sell-off. And I honestly agree. I think people are just panicking. I think people hear capital gains tax getting increased and people just start freaking out. Also, you have to understand all these sell orders, right? People have sell orders so they don't totally lose their ass. I personally don't, especially not right now with how volatile the market is. I personally don't have sell orders because I'm very confident that we're going to rebound back. But it's a snowball effect, right? it drops down to 50,000. Then people have sell orders at 50,000. It just keeps falling, keeps triggering these sell orders. And then you have people with paper hands. A lot of new investors, especially, you guys know there's a lot of new investors in the market. And I think there's so many new investors, which is a good thing, but I think they're very, very inexperienced. I think they're not used to these dips. I don't think they're used to these flash crashes that we've had for the past like 3 days. I just don't think that they're used to that. I don't think they're comfortable with that. And I think they are really, really struggling to diamond hands this one. And honestly, probably are going to get burnt by this and kick themselves in the ass in a couple weeks or months when Bitcoin is well past that. And by the end of the year, hopefully seeing a 6-figure Bitcoin. So basically, there's some of the keynotes up here. Biden will seek to raise taxes on millionaire investors to fund education and other spending priorities as a part of an effort to overhaul the U.S. economy. Biden will seek an increase to the tax on capital gains to 39.6% for those Americans earning more than $1 million, according to reports. Reports said the president is expected to release a proposal formally next week as a way to fund spending in the upcoming American Families Plan. Now, again, this is kind of the thing. There's a lot of speculation. The actual bill has not been wrote up, or the proposal has not actually been formally wrote up. So none of this is 100% concrete in stone what's happening. Nobody really knows. And as I'm sure you guys know, that speculation causes fear a lot of the times when it comes to stuff like this. Anything that is unknown, it causes a lot of fear. It causes a lot of panic in the market. And I think people are just panic selling. And honestly, it's hurting a lot of people right now. The stock market has absolutely dumped. I have friends coming out of the woodworks asking me, dude, should I sell? Should I buy more? What should I do? I'm down X amount. I should have taken profits last week. And I'm just like, calm down, calm down. I think it's okay. I think Bitcoin is going to be okay. I think this is basically, I just think everybody kind of had to get this out of their system. But we've had a nice big correction on Bitcoin at this point. I mean, if you guys look from our top over here at about 64,000, I mean, look at this. Look at this correction. I mean, that is insane, right? We had one big one here, and then we kind of traded sideways, a little up and down, and then another huge sell-off right here. So I personally think that we are going to be okay. I think we're going to be fine. I think we're going to be okay. I think this is probably the bottom. Again, I mean, I think we might dip a little bit more if we dip at all. And if it's a heavy dip, we're probably going to go down to $42,000 is what I believe. That's what a lot of other people believe too. If we break past 47,000, but I think there's just so much buying pressure at 47,000 that we are not going to break down past this. I mean, only time will tell. Obviously, nobody knows exactly what it's going to do. No amount of charting or anything like that will tell you or figure this out. I mean, you guys know that if you guys have been trading for a while. So we're just going to hold on and see. But the whole market has absolutely dipped. You guys can see Dogecoin over here at 22 cents, Litecoin at $227, and VeChain or VET at 16.5 cents. So personally, I took this opportunity to buy as much crypto as I could possibly afford. I am down to my last pennies, not really, but figuratively speaking, I really have spent a lot more. I told myself I was done buying crypto last week, but an opportunity like this comes by and you just cannot take it for granted. So personally, my opinion, I think we are pretty much at the bottom. And if I was you, and if I was looking to buy some crypto, I would jump on this opportunity. If you guys want me to do a video on some of my personal cryptos that I am in, that's not things like Ethereum or Bitcoin or Litecoin or something like that. If you guys want me to go over some of my altcoin picks, let me know in the comment section below. But you guys, just calm down, sit on your hands, diamond hands this one for the boys, okay? Diamond hands this one for the boys, guys. I think it'll be okay. I think we'll be fine. You guys will know. Time will tell. I will keep updated with you guys. I have a video going up after this one that I don't know when it will be live, but whenever it is live, you guys should check it out. It's about helium mining. If you guys are familiar with that, or you guys want to learn more about how profitable helium mining can be, that will be our next video. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the hell out of you, and I'll see you in the next one.